YouTubers? Hello Monday. We are here again. It is good old Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. And we got a new product to show you guys. This is coming from BYDPETE Baby Oral. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can make a purchase. These are what are these? Replacements for Philips Sonicare toothbrushes. OEM brush heads fits Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean, Healthy White, Flex Care, Healthy White, Easy Clean, a bunch of other ones. Also, Power Up by BYDPETE. This is the 8-pack with the traveling cup. This would be a nice little stocking stuffer. Oh, they all come out. They were in a package. Something happened with my unboxing video, but they do come in a packaging, so don't be alarmed that they're like that, but they're not. They just come in package. So here they are. Here's the name, BYDPETE. Here's the little caps. Got the brushes. Nice brush. Feels smooth. Nice and soft. So definitely really good stuff right here. And you guys could get one at a low cost. So definitely check them out. Get this fast shipped to you. And all you gotta do is replace your Sonicare or either one of those I mentioned. Replace your tips with. Really cool. And mine's right now, I don't misplaced it, so I gotta look for it. But here we go. You get 8 in the pack. They got 4 packs with caps. They got 8-pack. This is the 8-pack and also the 10-pack. So really cool. And like I said, it comes with the travel cup, mouthwash and stuff like that on the road. In your office, you can stick it in your gym locker. If you're a firefighter, truck driver, EMS, all that, people on the road, flight attendants, pilots, really cool stuff. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, link is going to be down below where you guys can get one of these at a low cost. And that's about it for today for this, I guess it's an Amazon unboxing to do. So be safe out there, YouTubers, and I'll see you guys soon. See ya.